Kenny Minchey is on the move. The backup quarterback hit the portal a couple days ago and leaves as a redshirt sophomore with a couple years eligibility left. It does suck from the Irish to lose a talented QB, but we kind of knew it was coming. I mean, it wasn't unless they weren't sure on Carr, which it seems like they are. Then it was just a thing of Minchey's probably gone. A lot of people have mentioned it and said it was probably going to happen this season. And then it happened. He leaves playing 10 total games, 6 last season, 212 yards, no touchdowns, no picks, 23 completions on 29 attempts. He got in for backup snaps. It does seem like the world's not falling, because behind him you have Blake Herbert, the freshman, redshirt freshman, I think now, coming into next season, and Noah Grubbs coming in, the 4-star. So you have talent behind him, so that you don't have to worry about, hey, we're losing this player. Plus, the coaching staff seems very high on Grubbs, very high. I've heard he could be the next guy after Carr, was something that was said at one point. But 24/7 does rank Minchey very high. Very high as one of the top 5 QBs and a top, I think, 25 overall prospect, if not top 50. So a couple names that have been thrown around for him are Texas Tech and Cincinnati. That was Joe Cox of College Football HQ on SI. And I don't know where he's going to land. He's talented enough where he could land in a few spots, but he wants to start, so we'll see where he goes. Hopefully he lands in a good spot and it works out for all parties. But go Irish. Hopefully Minchey finds a good landing spot. And the backup turns into a good player that will fill his spot. Someone will step up and fill in. Go Irish. Have a good one.